So quantum system, or what we call quantum cell expansion system, it's a very unique device in terms of its core technology. So it's a hollow fiber based, continuous perfusion based system. And what it provides a very precise control of microenvironment where cells are cultured. So let's start with, you can culture adherent cells, you can culture suspension cells, you can do co-culture, and you can also produce cell secretory molecule, exosomes, and also produce viral vectors. So it's a very unique technology. Now, when you want to grow adherent cells on the system provides 2.1 meters square of surface area in a very small footprint. And when we think of suspension cells, such as T cells, it provides a unique feature. Basically, using the bidirectional flow, you can contain the cells within the hollow fiber bioreactor, and you can achieve very high densities. What I mean by density is viable cell culture density, which can only be achieved in perfusion-based systems. So that perfusion-based nature allows you to have 100 million cells per ml, like of densities, which normally other kind of systems cannot achieve. So great technology. I'm always impressed by it. And that was one of the reasons when I joined Terumo BCT, I was amazed by looking at the system, what all the capacities it bring into the cell and gene therapy space.